All right, so let's take a look at this lesson that we have to do, okay? A lot of big vocabularies, but it's pretty straightforward, okay? If I give you a straight line like this, right? And that's not straight, but it's as straight as it can get. If I give you a straight line and I ask you, how many degrees is that? You already know a straight angle is 180 degrees, okay? Another name for a straight angle is that it's a supplementary, okay? S for supplementary, S for straight. Now, another way that you could think about it is anytime you see a straight line like this, you could draw a big circle like a sunrise, okay? And that's the indication that it's 180 degrees, okay? So let's just say if this angle, like let's just say this small angle is going to be 60 degrees, all you have to do to find this larger angle is 180 minus 60. That's gonna give you 120 degrees. And that's it, right? Both of these added up, it gives you 180. Great. That's a supplementary, okay? Supplementary is straight and supplementary means it's 180. You also know this, right? This is as straightforward as you can get it. This is a 90-degree angle, and 90 degree, because it has a corner there, it starts with a C. It's also going to be known as complementary, okay? Complementary. And complementary means two angles that add up to give you 90. Supplementary, two angles that add up to give you 180. Okay, so far so good. Now, we have to look at the next type, which is what if they give you a straight angle like this and they cut it like this? Bam, right? Because when they do something like this, now you have four angles, but it's literally the same thing. It's now a matter of you guys recognizing what's the relationship, okay? First off, there's two types of angles that you can possibly see here, right? There's either going to be something called vertical angles or something that's going to be called, obviously, supplementary angles. But you got to recognize, vertical is equal and opposite, okay? Equal / opposite, or like I would like to say, equopposite, as in one word. So in terms of vertical angles, right, the vertical angles here that you see, it would be 1 and 4. Notice how they're both obtuse, right? So angle 1 and angle 4 are equal. The other type of vertical angle that still exists is 3, right, and 2, okay? So angle 3 is actually congruent to angle 2, okay? And those are the vertical angles. However, you can also see supplementary angles, right? And in this case right here, supplementary angles refers to what I was talking about earlier. If you can form a straight line with two angles, that makes them supplementary. So one example would be this. As you can see, I just drew a sunrise, and that means the angle 1 plus angle 2 ultimately equals 180. So far, so good. It's very easy and straightforward, right? Let's take a look at some other ones, right? What else makes it true? Well, on the other side, angle 3 plus angle 4 also makes 180 degrees, right? Because it's a straight line. 3 and 4 together make this straight line. So it's angle 3 and angle 4 is equal to 180. But wait, there's more, right? There's two more angles that are supplementary. Because if you turn your head, it's going to be angles 3 and angles 1 as well, right? So you could see right here, 3 and 1 add up to give you 180. So it's angle 3 plus angle 1 is going to give you 180. And the last pair has to be angle 2 plus angle 4. Because 2 and 4 on this side is going to make 180 as well, okay? So there we go. That's exactly what it looks like, okay? That's pretty much the grand overview of these angles.